Hello, welcome to my channel. I was very happy with today's sketch of a rose at a certain point, and then I worked on it some more, the evils of overworking a painting. And I'll show you what I mean. I started off with a drawing on tracing paper, which I then transferred to 140-pound watercolor paper. I decided it wasn't enough to fill the page, and I added 2 sprigs of fern. I'm not entirely comfortable with watercolor, and I sort of tend to do what I would do with acrylic or water mixable oils. I put on a mid-tone and thereby lost all my valuable highlights of plain white paper. I'd already used a micron pen number 5 to go over my pencil lines, and so I'm painting over the pen lines, and that's okay because the pen is water fast. But I decided to add more petals to the main rose. And this is where I felt I went wrong. I do think the stem is good, the leaves are good, the rosebud itself is very nice, I like that. But the rose flower is not good. The fern leaves are quite nice. I think I did quite a good job of the fern. And I really like what I did with the stem. It looks woody, it looks rose-like, but that rose flower is disappointing. Here it is with the tape taken off to show the borders and the soft decal edge. And I did add it to my journal. I put everything in my journal, good and bad, no holding back there. I like to see what I've done. I'd like to see if I've improved. And although in this particular case there are things I don't like about this painting, there are things I do like, plenty of things that I do like. So I'm not just going to throw it in the trash. I just put it in my book and take note. So here it is in my journal, and I can admire the things I do like about it. That's the best I can do. So I hope you enjoyed this little video and got something from it, even if it's just to let go the things you don't like about a painting and enjoy the bits of it that you do like, that you feel you did well with. And thank you very much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe if you have the time. That helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate that. And thank you so much to everyone who's already done that. That helps me so much, and I'm very appreciative of you. Bye for now. I'll see you next time.